Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of using Facebook on your mobile device: clearing the application cache. If you're experiencing slow performance or quirky glitches, the cache might be the culprit. Don't worry, it's an easy fix. I'll walk you through the updated steps to clear that cache and get your Facebook running smoothly again. Let's get started. First up, grab your phone and open your Settings app. This is where you'll find all the options you need to manage your applications. Once you're in Settings, look for either Apps or Applications. Depending on your phone's make and model, this name might differ slightly, but you'll know it when you see it. Just tap on that option to continue. Now, you'll be presented with a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list and find Facebook. It might take a moment to locate it, but just keep an eye out for the familiar blue icon. Fantastic! Once you've selected Facebook, you'll see various options related to the app. Look for and tap on Storage. This section holds all the data concerning how much space the app is using. Finally, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and tap that. This action will remove temporary files stored by Facebook, helping your app run more efficiently and freeing up some necessary storage space. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully cleared your Facebook application cache. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.